Welcome back to our ZKsync series. In the previous article, we set up local ZKsync environment and work with provider. And here we will dive into wallet operations on the ZKsync using Web3.js. So we will start with initializing the wallet, and then querying balancing, depositing, withdrawing, transferring, sending and signing transaction. So let's go to the wallet article, working with wallets, and also let's create a new TypeScript file. Okay, so we can get from article our basics, like how initialize the Web3.js, which will be connected to the layer 1, and initialize the layer 2 provider connected to the layer 2 also on localhost, and add this like a plugin to the Web3.js. We need import web3, and also we need to import from web3 plugin ZKsync plugin types and web3 ZKsync web2. Okay, everything imported. We can copy the test function because it will be the same here, and remove everything inside like this. Okay, let's create instance of the wallet. For this we'll use web3, and now web3 was extended with this plugin, and we received the ZKsync namespace inside, and we can use it like .wallet. It will return the wallet class, and let's provide the private key of our main account here. So import helpers main wallet private key, and that's it. We will receive the wallet. What you want from us? Yeah, I forgot the new, because we create the instance of the class the wallet. Yeah, so right now we have the wallet. Let's start from simplest as usual. Let's get the balances. I will copy this code from the article, but it's very simple because it's just method getBalance and getBalance L1, 2 minutes. So as you see, we need 2 addresses here from our helpers, and let's console log everything which we have here. So L2 Ethereum balance, so wallet get balance. We do not pass anything here because when we create the wallet using the private key, it's already converted into account inside, and it's already know the wallet address, and of course private key, etc. Initialize everything inside, so you don't need like here we add to provider, create account for private key. You not need to do this at all. Just pass the private key and that's it. So you can call get balance and receive the balance of the L2 Ethereum. If you call get balance L1, you will receive the balance of the Ethereum in the same address but in layer 1. And this is examples of how to get the token balance. So it's ERC20 token balance. Also the same method, but you can pass the token address as a first parameter In layer 2 we pass layer 2 address, and in layer 1 we pass layer 1 token address. Let's run this code. Okay, it works. As you see, we receive all the balances here. Let's continue and make some deposit. What is deposit? Deposit is a transfer from the layer 1 to layer 2. So if we want to transfer Ethereum, we can use this code. So wallet has deposit method, and we need to pass the object with these parameters. We need the constant import from the plugin, and token, as we want to deposit the Ethereum, so we set this constant to, this is to what account in layer 2 we want to transfer this Ethereum. Yes, we want to transfer to our wallet, so we have method get address and pass it here. Amount is how much we want to transfer, and as you see, I use the Web3 utils and want to transfer 2 Ethers. And refund recipient, also the same address. As you remember, in provider we use utility await transaction receipt. Here we have utility inside the wallet, and return it wallet deposit wait finalize. So finalize is not just receipt. It wait while this transaction will be finalized in layer 2, because we call it in layer 1 first, and then it should be finalized in layer 2 to receive this Ethereum. So it can be longer, especially not in local networks. In local networks it takes few seconds, but in test networks like Cipole it can take few hours. Okay, let's try. Yeah, receive balances, and now start deposit method. We need again get all the balances, or just run it again. I want to compare without deposit, only balances. Okay, yeah, it's difficult to compare. L2 Ethereum address, and it was before, it is after. Let's compare. As you see here, we have 3 zeros, and here is 0.2. So this is amount of Ethereum we sent on this sign here. And I'm sure that L1 Ethereum balance was decreased by 2 Ethereums. Okay, it was deposited. If we want to deposit the token, we can use the same method, but add the parameter token, we can add the layer 1 token address. And other things mostly the same, but also we have approve ERC20 as a true. So it's automatically approved for you. You don't need to send the separate transaction. It will be sent inside. So let's try to send the token. So this balances of the token before we deposit. Then wait for finalize our transaction. And we'll run balances again. Yep. And check. As you see, we sent 50,000 of the token, and it was appear here, added to the layer 2, it decreased to in layer 1. So it was the deposit method. And also we have the withdraw method. This is like vice versa. If you want to transfer from layer 2 to layer 1, we can use the withdraw method for this. Again, let's first send back our 2 Ethereums from layer 2 token is address and to the same address to the layer 1 and amount the same 2 Ethereums and wait for finalize, because we send the transaction to layer 2 here and we need to wait while it will be finalized in layer 1. It also can take the time, especially in real networks. Okay, and let's get balances again. 0.4 and now it's 0.2. So we send 2 Ethereum to the layer 1. And we can make the same with ERC20 token. Just using token address in the layer 2 to wallet address and how much we want to send. Let's send the same amount, 50,000. Okay, let's start and then check the balances again. Wait for finalization. Okay, and get balances again. And as you see, L2 token balance decreased because it was 50,000 more, but L2 not increased because we need to finalize our withdrawal. For this, we need to run the wallet finalize withdrawal method and send withdrawal hash to it. That's it. Let's run it. So this is balances before and this is balances after. L1 token balance was increased 50,000 more. Yeah, and you can need to finalize Ethereum transaction also. So after all withdrawals, you need to finalize for Ethereum withdrawal or for token withdrawal. You need to call finalize withdrawal method. That's it. Okay, let's clear. The next thing I want to show you how to transfer funds on layer 2. So for this, inside the wallet, we have transfer method, const tx, and here we can send what we want to transfer. It can be Ethereum, or it can be the token. So let's start from the Ethereum first to any address here and amount. Let it be 1 Ether. So to create any address, we can use wallet Web3 ZKsync namespace wallet create random. It will create random wallet inside, so random account without any Ethereum on it, and we can use it as usual wallet. Okay, and here we can just wait, because right now we transfer inside the layer 2 from one account to another account only in layer 2. And let's console log the receipt. And also I want to have to console log the balance of the recipient. Balance before. We already know function get balance. Wait. And balance after before. Let's run it. As you see, balance before was 0 because it's new random wallet. Then it's receipt that we sent Ethereum to someone, and balance after 1 Ethereum. The same we can, let's comment this and send token. The same way, just use the token here, let it be dial2, balance before token balance, and balance after also token balance. It's a lot. Let's send, for example, 1000. Let's send. Balance before 0 and balance after 1000, as you see. So we just send the ERC20 token to another address. And finally, I want to show you how to send the transaction using the ZKsync wallet. We can use it separately or simple way. So separately, like in provider, first populate, then sign, and then send, and then wait. I will just copy. Can it be a random wallet? Utils also get from the plugin. So console log receipt. Okay, and let's comment this one also. We don't need it. Let's run. Done. It works. So as you see, we populate the transaction first, then sign it, then send raw transaction, received hash, and then wait for the receipt. And we have the helper to do this all inside. It calls sign and send. So we just pass a few parameters here from to value, and it automatically populates, sign, send, and also this method return the helpers, return the hash of the transaction, and we can run the wait and wait for the receipt. Let's clear and run it again. Hash and then receipt. Okay, in this article we explore core wallet operations on the ZKsync, how initialize the wallet, how to initialize the plugin first, how query the balances, depositing and withdrawing, and transferring assets, and also how to sign, populate, and send the transaction. In the next video, we will dive into smart accounts on the ZKsync.